Okay, so I want to share with you guys this goPure neck and chest cream. This is the viral cream you may have heard about. It is absolutely amazing. There is a reason why it went viral. I am so excited about it. The brand actually gifted this to me and I have been using it for quite a while now and have been astounded by the results. I have wrinkles on my neck, which really bother me. And I have already noticed just after about 3 weeks, just the moisture and tightening, especially this area right here. I apply it liberally on my neck and chest. It has a really nice smell. I've been trying to figure out what it smells like. I think it's kind of like a rosemary mint. Honestly, it smells like the spa. It's absolutely lovely and it has a really nice feel to it. I am so happy with the results I've had so far. I'm gonna make another video after about 60 days, but in general, I should have taken a before video, but it's pretty astounding. And I'm so excited I found this product. It's awesome.